There are some things in life you just can't put a price on, and the safety of your home and family are two of them. When it comes to keeping your kids safe, online security is just as important, as many of us are sadly unaware of the dangers they face daily. The facts? Almost 60% of teenagers have been bullied online, with 1 in 7 kids on the internet being targeted by a sexual predator and 25% receiving explicit, unwanted content. Cyberbullying and harassment can cause any parent sleepless nights, which is why the Vox Wi-Fi Home Manager comes in to save the day. The Vox Wi-Fi Home Manager is your gateway to safer browsing for your family via a simple, user-friendly mobile app which lets you monitor and control your network. Manage your network, use parental controls, detect threats, and consolidate your home network in a single place. Your usage, devices, content, and filtering will be yours to manage, and it starts at 50 Rand.